about you, but I don't like using a mop to clean a floor. It's just sort of messy. And what I really love about this Bissell Crosswave is that it cleans both hard floors and rugs, and it's very easy to use. It comes with a little pad on the bottom here to prevent any water getting on your floor, which I think is really nice. And then all you do is you take this little container right here, and as you can see, you fill it up with water to a certain point right here, and then you can fill it up with formula here, or you can do a small area right here. So I'll show you how it works. It's super easy, and it just leaves you without the mess of trying to wring out a mop, which I really don't enjoy. So I've got it ready to go, and it's plugged in. And one thing I wanted to show you too is that you can switch between the hard floor and rug right here. So what I love about it is it doesn't leave a big watery mess, just enough water to dry quickly. It's just like the perfect thing to use to clean a floor. The dirty water collects in here, and then all you do is empty it out. It's super easy.